What's good, Tube You? Wait, hold up. What's good, Tube You? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D-Lit. It's colossal. Um, the Yeezy unboxing. As you all know, Kanye West, the dude's gonna drop the biggest, gigantic Yeezy drop of the month of September. Actually, you could pre-order these. That's how big this was. So, you know, it fucks with you, yay. But I mean, I feel like you're everywhere, bro. But at the same time, I'm still finna cop some shoes. So, bam! Here we is. Pure white 350s. From the Ye himself. From Yandy. Should I do a reaction of that? To Yandy? Okay, so all you need to know is it was shipped to yours truly, D-Lit. Bam, baby. You see how we rockin'. I have a legit camera. But that boost, that 350 from your boy Ye. Now off jump, if you got a fake pair of these, you see that? See that slide there? These bitches are like a drawer. If your shit does not slide in and out like this, I'm sorry, you got fake kicks. It's a smooth motion. It's all in the production, dudes. So these are the pure whites. In the sun, you really can see the 350. Like, you can even see it in the stitching, bro. It's real faint. And a lot of people, I know y'all were skeptical, like, I don't know if I want to cop an all-white shoe. But at the end of the day, man, it's Ye. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, you can either hate them or love them. And these are like, oh, okay, I see how they doing this now that it's like in the sun. They're kind of like the blue tints. When you know, with the little stripes on there, like you can see the stripes kind of. I'm gonna get a better camera, y'all, I promise. But yeah, I see the 350 in there. Check to see the boost. That's how it should go. I forgot how many of these you're supposed to have. They're legit. I bought them off of Yeezy Supply. So I'm pretty sure Yeezy ain't selling fake Yeezys, all right? So don't be trying to come for me in the comments. These is legit. All of that. To the stripe, all of that. The fake ones, you see it's shorter, I know that. Stitching in the back. Like, it's all there, bro. Don't come for me in these comments. These Jones is hard, bro. And I'm not finna be a hype beast nigga and try to rock these in the winter time. That's what I'm not gonna do. Reason being, I already got a plan for these, man. Probably see what happens soon. I should show you how these look on feet. I did try them on before though. These bitches are hella comfortable. I will not lie about that. Super duper comfortable, like. And I'm glad I'm finally seeing these hoes in the sun, man, cause woo! These are nice. I started to realize that like the shoes that come out aren't exactly the same colorway as they say they are. Like, it doesn't say the colorway on it. Like, it's supposed to be an all-white shoe, and it kind of is, but at the same time, it's like it really is a cream color. It's not really a white. Like, you see the white stitching there. It's actually kind of white for real, for real. I'm rocking with it though. I mean, it looks good. Like, you can see the difference from the white and the off-white cream color. But yeah, these is it. I probably should show you guys just a nice little view of them outside or something. So y'all can get a nice little view. So we'll do that. 50s. If you didn't cop, you can go on StockX. I believe they're like 230. They didn't really go up in price because it was like a big sale, like I said. So yeah. Be prepared for the video that I'm gonna do after I fuck these bitches up, because I do plan to rock these. Like I said, I'm not gonna rock them right now because where I'm at, where I live at, this snow is unpredictable. Anyways, I have some sole protectors that I'm gonna put on here too. I don't know if I'll do a video for that. So stay lit. Peace.